move into it. If the fraction of the atom of a radioactive material left after 120 years is 1 over 64, what is the half-life of the material? So we are calculating the half-life of the material. Solution: the time taken, which is T, is equal to 120 years. The fraction, which is nth all over nth naught, is equal to 1 over 64. And we are asked to look for half-life, is question mark, but the formula we use is nth over n naught is equal to half into T all over capital T, where the capital T is the half-life. Okay, so let us substitute the variable into the formula. So we have 1 over 64 is equal to 1 over 2 all into raising to power 120 raised to power T all over T. Okay, so this is 1 over 2 raised to power 6 equal to 1 over 2 raised to power 120 all over T. And 2 raised to power 6 is equivalent to 64. Okay, so this 1 over 2 all raised to power 6 is equal to 1 over 2 raised to power 120 over T. Now, 1 raised to power 6 is the same thing as 1. 2 raised to power 6 is equal to 64, and the same thing as 2 raised to power 6. Okay, so the base are same. So this will cancel this. So we'll be having 6 equal to 120 all over T. From here we cross multiply so that our T should be equal to 120 all over 6. Finally, our T is equal to 20 years. So it simply means that the half-life is equal to 20 years. Now, if you check the option C is the correct option. If this is your first time watching this very video, I encourage you to go to YouTube and subscribe to Usman Chain Physics Math class.